In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Chrome not opening easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on the search bar here and search for settings on your PC, and then go into the here into the apps. Right here you will find the apps that you have in your PC. Search here for Chrome, as you can see, and now make sure that it's here. That's the first step. After that, you need to go into the default apps here and make sure that the web browser is Chrome. If it's not, then click on it and change it. Now go to search for Chrome, click on right mouse, click on open file location and click on it.